Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, and welcome to English Chats Daily.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Eva.
And my name is
George.
In this podcast, we help you learn English in a simple and fun way. We speak slowly so you can understand everything.
Yes, and today's topic is very important for beginners.
It is. Today we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
This is what you say when you meet someone for the first time. It is the first step in making new friends.
Exactly. We will teach you how to say your name, where you are from, and what you do.
We will use very simple sentences, and we will speak very slowly so you can repeat.
Yes, please don't worry about mistakes. The most important thing is to try. Learning takes time.
That's right. So, are you ready to learn?
Great, let's begin.
Okay, the first section is about names and greetings.
Yes, the first thing you say is your name. It is very easy. You can say, my name is, and then your name.
For example, I say, my name is George.
And I say, my name is Eva.
Now, let's practice. I will say my name, and you can repeat. Ready? My name is George.
Good. Now it's your turn to say your name. Say it out loud. My name is...
Wonderful. There's another way to say your name. It is also very simple.
Yes, you can say I am and then your name, or you can say I'm. It's shorter.
Like, I am George. Or, I'm George.
And I am Eva, or I'm Eva.
Both ways are perfect. Let's practice the short way. Repeat after me. I'm George.
Now you try with your name. Say it loudly. I'm...
Excellent. You're doing a great job.
So now you can say your name. What if you want to ask someone their name?
Right. You need to know the question. The question is, what is your name?
Let's say that very slowly. What is your name?
Let's say it again. What is your name? You can also say it shorter. What's your name?
Yes. Let's practice the short question. Repeat after me. What's your name?
Very good. After you learn someone's name, it is friendly to say, nice to meet you.
Oh yes, that's a very important and kind thing to say. Nice to meet you.
Let's practice that phrase. Ready? Nice to meet you.
Repeat one more time. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. And if someone says that to you, you can say, nice to meet you too.
That word too at the end means also. It's a friendly reply.
Okay, let's put it all together in a small conversation. Eva, you start.
Okay. Hello, my name is Eva. What's your name?
Hello, Eva. I'm George. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? A perfect, simple conversation. You can do this.
You are doing so well. Shall we move to the next part, George?
Yes, let's go to our next section, talking about your country.
After names, people often ask where you are from.
To say where you are from, you say, I am from, and then your country.
For example, I say I am from Canada.
And I can say, I am from the United States.
Let's practice that sentence. You can repeat after me. I am from Canada.
Good. Now you say your country. Say it now. I am from...
Excellent. So what is the question, George? How do we ask someone about their country?
The question is, where are you from?
Let's say that very slowly. Where are you from?
Let's say it again, a little faster. Where are you from?
Now you repeat the question. Where are you from?
Good job! Now let's practice a conversation with names and countries together.
Okay, George, you start this time.
Sure. Hello, my name is George. What's your name?
Hello, George. My name is Eva. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Eva. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you? Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
That was a great conversation. Did you hear? I asked, and you? This is a very good and polite way to continue a conversation.
Right. And you is like asking the same question back to the other person. It shows you're interested.
Let's practice that. Just repeat after me. And you?
Great. You are learning so much today.
Okay, let's go to our third section, talking about your job or your studies.
Yes. After you know someone's name and country, it's common to ask about their work.
If you have a job, you can say, I am a, and then your job title.
For example, a person can say, I am a doctor.
Or, I am a teacher.
Or maybe, I am an engineer.
But what if you don't work? What if you are a student?
That's easy. You just say, I am a student.
Let's have our listeners repeat that. Ready? I am a student.
Perfect. Another way to talk about your job is to say, I work as a, for example, I work as a teacher.
Yes, I am a teacher and I work as a teacher mean the same thing. So, how do we ask the question?
The question is, what do you do?
This question, what do you do, means what is your job or are you a student? It's a general question.
Let's practice saying the question slowly. What do you do?
Now repeat at a normal speed. What do you do?
Excellent. So let's add this new part to our full conversation.
Okay, I'll start the conversation. Hi, I'm Eva. What's your name?
Hi, Eva. I'm George. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, George?
I am from the United States. And you?
I'm from Canada. So, what do you do, George?
I am a student. What about you, Eva? What do you do?
I am a teacher.
See how the conversation is growing? It's getting longer and more interesting.
Yes, and we're only using very simple sentences. This is fantastic. You can do this.
Okay, let's move to our final section for today.
This is a fun one. Hobbies, things you like to do in your free time.
This is a great topic. It helps you know a person better and find things in common.
To talk about your hobbies, you can say, I like or I like to.
For example, I like to read books.
Or I like to watch movies.
Maybe I like listening to music.
Let's practice that. Repeat after me. I like to read books.
Good. You can also say, in my free time, I like to.
Right. In my free time, I like to walk in the park. That's a nice, long sentence.
So the question to ask someone is, what do you like to do in your free time?
That's a bit long. Let's say it slowly. What do you like to do in your free time?
Let's repeat. What do you like to do in your free time?
Great job. Now we have all the pieces for a full introduction. Name, country, job, and hobbies.
Yes. Let's do a final practice conversation. We will say everything we learned today. Listen carefully, and then you can practice.
Okay, George, let's have a conversation. You start.
Hello, my name is George. What's your name?
Hello, George. I'm Eva. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Eva. Where are you from, Eva?
I am from Canada. And you?
I'm from the United States. So what do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student.
That's interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music. And you?
I like to read books.
That was a great conversation, Eva. We've covered a lot. What's another topic we can discuss when getting to know someone?
That's a great question, George. A common topic is family. People often ask if you have any brothers or sisters.
Oh, that's a good one. So how would you ask that question in English?
The simplest way to ask is, do you have any siblings? The word siblings means brothers and sisters.
Siblings. That's a useful word. Let's say it slowly for our listeners. Siblings.
Exactly. So you can ask, do you have any siblings? Let's have our listeners repeat that.
And that is a perfect first conversation. You have all the sentences you need.
You did an amazing job today. Let's quickly review the main sentences one last time.
For your name, you say, my name is.
For your country, I am from.
For your job, I am a or I am a student.
And for hobbies, I like to.
These are the most important phrases to introduce yourself.
Your homework is to practice. Try to introduce yourself today. You can talk to a friend or just practice in the mirror.
Yes, speaking is the best way to learn. The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Thank you so much for joining us on English Chats Daily. We are so proud of you.
We will be back with another lesson soon. keep practicing and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Keep up the great work.